You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is c greater than 9 over 2 greater than 41 over 2. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 1 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the c. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3 over 2. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is c greater than 9 over 2 greater than 41 over 2.